Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to use NIC to identify different types of sales opportunities such as conversions, renewals, and maturing policies, so that you can be proactive with clients and increase your revenue. To view these, navigate to the Insights button on the left-hand navigation. From here, click on the Opportunities button at the top of the page. Here you'll see tons of different breakdowns such as policy maturing in the next 30, 60, or 90 plus days. This is all based on the effective date and the term duration of the policy. Scrolling further down are the term renewal opportunities on the left-hand side, all broken down by the type, the term, and the time frame of each policy. Next, there are conversion opportunities on the right. These opportunities are based on the conversion criteria that the carrier directly shares with NIC, which you can view by clicking on the I button for a given carrier. To see a list of impacted policies, click on the blue numbers on the right hand of any breakdown, and you'll be redirected to a lists view that shows you all of the policies in more detail where there may be an opportunity present. Overall, NIC's opportunity view helps you identify conversions, renewals, and maturing policies so that you can proactively engage clients and grow your business. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.